Hey, class, it is time for English. Please, shut up. Let's continue our lesson. Today's lesson, we're going to discuss about some daily life words. Every student who has a question about the word, who want the meaning of the word, please ask and I will give you wonderful meaning of that word. Anyone?
Yes, teacher. I have a question. What is a school?
A school is a place where parents pay and children pray.
Nice one.
Okay, teacher. What is life insurance?
About the life insurance, it's a contract that keep you poor all your life so that you can die rich.
Nice one.
I have 3 words. A nurse, marriage, and a father. Please give me a meaning for those words.
Shut up, everybody. Listen.
Okay, thank you, John. Let me start to the nurse. A nurse is a person who wakes you up to give you sleeping pills. And a marriage is an agreement in which a man loses his bachelor's degree and a woman gains her master's.
Jesus is Lord.
While a father, of course, is a banker provided by nature.
You will kill me. You will kill me.
Teacher, what's the meaning of criminal boss and politician?
Shut up, everybody. Listen.
Okay, Patrick. Let me start to the boss. A boss is someone who earlier when you are late and late when you are early. That's the wonderful meaning of boss. While a politician is a person who shakes your hand before election and your confidence thereafter.
Hey!
A criminal is a person no different from the rest, except that he got the cut.
Oh, really?
I think that is the last question. Let's continue to the other chapter we're gonna study today.
Oh, please, teacher. Only last question. What is a doctor?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Oh, a doctor. A doctor is a person who holds your ills by pills and kills you by beers. Okay, thanks. That is the last question. Let's continue.